Asking people to make their own gorilla tag sound effects. What sound effect does it make when you tag somebody?
You find another kid.
Gonna load for you the only things one person. And since then,
What sound effect does it make when you go on the zipline and beach?
And you will get a gift.
Blue. What sound effect does it make when you jump in gorilla tag?
You see any yellow? They're going there. They're going there.
A sound effect.
You're not
How
wrong.
do you?
A sound effect. A sound effect. A sound effect. A sound. A sound. A sound. A sound. A sound. A sound.